and go to that server of yours and right click on it and click on server settings. So in here you will find an option called server template. You have to click on that. Here you can type in a template name and you can click on generate template. So you can copy this code and click on preview template. In here you can change the server name. And click on create and close this. Now you can see the new server is added, and let me go back to the old server from which I copied the new server. So you can see I already created a voice channel, a text channel, which is it will also appear in copy server. So let's check if this channel is also added to this new server or not, so that we can confirm that if the server has been copied perfectly or not. So you can see in the new server I gave a new name, but the voice channels and other things are same. So if you already have a server which is super organized, all you can just do is right click on it, go to server settings and go to server template and create a template and click on preview template and create a server based on that original server. So that's how you can copy our Discord server. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.